بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another lesson of English subject for grade 2. I hope all of you are fine. Students, as you remember that yesterday we did questions and answers of Faiza's Biscuits, and today we are moving on to the next part, which is part B of the exercise, and the name of this part is working with words. Working with words. Open your books at page 5 and look at part B, working with words. First question is in part B is, what are the words? What are the words? They all begin with bow, bow sound. What are the words? They all begin with bow. In this question, you have to answer some questions, but they are not exactly questions. They are giving you some hints, and you will guess what they are talking about. They are giving you some hints, and you will guess, you will tell what they are talking about. It is a kind of game in which they will give you hints and you will guess what is it. For example, if I ask you, it is a large building and students go there for learning. It is a very big building and students go there for learning. So what is it? Very good. It is a school. It is a school. Another question that comes to my mind is, it is made of wood and we use it for sitting in. It is made of wood and we use it for sitting in. Very good. It is a chair. It is a chair. Okay. It is made of pages and students use it for reading and learning. It is made of pages and students use it for reading and learning. What is it? Good. It's a book. It's a book. Now they have given you a few sentences and you will guess what are they. But they have given you one more hint here. Besides giving you these sentences, they have given you one more hint that your answer should begin with bow. Bow means whatever they are asking about, your answer should start with B-O. Like the first two spellings should be B-O. Now let's read what's the first sentence. This is made of glass and holds liquids. This is made of glass and hold liquids. What's the thing which is made of glass and it is used for holding liquids? Very good. It's a bottle. Bottle. Our answer is bottle. Now there is one more thing that is made of glass and it is used for holding liquid, that is jug. Jugs are also used for holding liquids, for keeping liquids, for putting liquids in. But they said your answer should begin with B-O. So we are writing bottle. Bottle. Okay. There are many things in which we keep the water, and which is made of glass, but the only thing that starts with B and O is bottle. Bottle. Now, for writing the answers in your book, you have to draw lines on your book. You have to draw lines on your book with the help of a pencil, and try not to use anything else. You will use only pencils on book. Okay, when you are using colors or ballpoints or pens, the books become very dirty. It doesn't look very good. So try to avoid, don't use anything else, just use pencils. Okay, you will use only pencils on books. Now, when you are writing the answer, before that you have to draw a straight line. Don't draw freehand lines. Don't draw freehand lines. Use a ruler for drawing lines. Use a ruler for drawing lines. Now, when you do the homework, you will send it to us. Everyone would see your homework. So try to make your homework as beautiful and neat as you can, as much you can. Okay. So the answer for the first sentence was, this is made of glass and holds liquid. So what is it? The answer was bottle. Bottle. There are some inside your body. Now what is this which is inside our body and it is starting with B O? Bo. What is it? There are some inside your body. Is it difficult? Okay, think about it once more. There are some inside your body. Now tell me something which is inside your body and the name of which starts with B O. B O. Very good. The answer is bones. Bones. Excellent. The answer is bones. Bones. Now, this is made of glass and holds liquids. The first one was, this is made of glass and holds liquids. Bottle. And the second is, there are some inside your body and they are bones. Now look at the third sentence. Not a girl, not a man, or a woman. What is it? It's a person, but it is not a girl, it is not a man, and it is not a woman. So what is it? Students, what comes to your mind? What is it? A person who is not a girl, not a man, or a woman. Very good. It's a boy. It's a boy. It's a boy. Boy. Okay. Strong and full of courage. Okay. A person who is strong and full of courage. A person who is never frightened, he is never afraid, and he is very strong and confident. What do you call such kind of a person? Strong and full of courage. Think about it. Think about it. Strong and full of courage. What is it? Good. It's bold. 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 Did you enjoy thinking about them? It was a kind of game. They were giving you hints and you were thinking about the answer. Now this is made of glass and holds liquids. The answer was bottle. There are some inside your body. The answer is bones. Not a girl, not a man, and or a woman, it's a boy. Strong and full of courage. Bold. Strong and full of courage. Bold. Okay, students, after doing the first question of part B, let's move on to the next question. It says, read the following sentences carefully, then use the underlined words in sentences of your own. Read the following sentences means read the given sentences carefully, attentively, then use the underlined words in sentences of your own. Then you will make your own sentences. You will not use these sentences. You will just use your own words and make a new sentence. Read the following sentences. Read the upcoming sentences which are given below carefully, attentively, then use the underlined words. Now they have given a few words which are underlined. They have drawn a line under them. Now what are the words which are underlined in the first sentence? Very good. Give up. Give up. And the next, hold on. Hold on. Pull out. Pull out. Now students, let's start the question. So, don't give up your music lessons. Don't give up your music lessons. Give up means stop doing. Stop doing. Don't give up your music lessons. Don't stop going to your music school. Don't stop taking your music classes. So it means that don't give up your music lesson. Now to understand it better, I would give you another sentence, and that is, you should give up your bad habits. You should give up your bad habits. It means that you should stop all of your bad habits. You should give up your bad habits. Okay, the next question, you should give up blaming others for your failures. Now there are some people who always blame others, that it is because of you that I failed. It is because of you that the mistake took place. So stop blaming others. You should give up blaming others. You should give up blaming others and start hard work. Okay. And what other sentence that could fit to the phrasal verb? That might be, you should give up rising late. Now some children have the habit of getting up late every morning. So you should give up the habit of rising late. Okay, you should give up rising late every morning. So the next sentence is, let's move on to the next sentence. Hold on tight to your kite string. Hold on tight to your kite string. Now to understand the word hold on tight, let's have a look at a few pictures. Hold on. Hold on. Now in this picture, they are showing you that hold on means that hold something tightly. In this picture, you can see that the man is holding on to the rope tightly. Holding on to the rope tightly. Now in some cartoons, you have seen that the robber is holding on to the rope and he is climbing a tall building, and then he robs the things, then he steals the things away. So robbers usually do this, and sometimes the soldiers hold on to a rope and they practice climbing on a rope. So holding on means hold something tightly. Hold something tightly. Hold on. The next picture. When you fall on the ground by mistake, so your friend helps you to get up. You hold on to his hand. Then you hold on to his hand. When you fall down on the ground, your friend help you get up. You hold on tight to his hand. Hold on. Hold on. When you are going on a dangerous road, when you are going on a hill, you are climbing a hill, you hold on tight the hand of your father. You hold on the hand of your father tightly. So this is hold on. Hold on. Now let's move on to the sentence which was given in the book. That was hold on tight to the kite string. Hold on tight to the kite string. Now this is a kite. This is a kite. And this is a kite string. Kite string. In the sentence they say that hold on tight to the kite string so that you can fly the kite properly. So that you can fly the kite properly. Hold on tight to the kite string so that you can fly the kite properly. Now I hope that you understood the meaning of hold on. Hold on. Now, what other sentences do you suggest for these words? Hold on. Hold on tight to your kite strings, but you will not use this sentence. Just try to make another sentence. Okay. Hold on tight to my hand. I will help you come up. Hold on tight to my hand. Okay. What other sentence? Okay. When you are climbing the hill, you should hold on tight to your father's hand. When you are climbing up the hill, you should hold on tight to your father's hand. Okay, students, they have given you hold on in just one sense, but hold on has also an other meaning. Hold on means wait for some time. Hold on means wait for some time. So you can also say that hold on for a minute. Hold on for a minute. But this hold on is just used on telephone. When someone make a call to you, you can say that hold on for a minute, I am calling my father, then he will talk to you. Okay, when there is a call for your father and you receive the call, you just say to that uncle that hold on for a minute, I'll call my father. Okay, so the dentist can pull out a bad tooth. This is the next sentence. The dentist can pull out a bad tooth. The dentist. Dentist is a person who looks after our teeth. He is the doctor of teeth. So the dentist can pull out a bad tooth. Bad tooth is that one which has a cavity in it, or you can say that it has some pain, so the dentist pull out that bad tooth. Dentist pull out that bad tooth. So the dentist can pull out a bad tooth. Now, to understand what other kind of sentences can be made with the help of pull out, let's have a look at a few pictures. Pull out. Now you can see that the dentist is pulling out the bad tooth of the woman. Dentist is pulling out a bad tooth. Okay, so pull out. Now look at this picture. The mother and son are pulling out vegetables from the garden. Pull out. They are pulling out vegetables from the garden. So people pull out vegetables from the garden when they are ripe. We can make a sentence that people pull out vegetables from the garden when they are ripe. Ripe means ready to use. Ripe means ready to use. When vegetables are ready to use, people pull them out and use in their as their food. When vegetables are ripe, people use them as their food. Pull out. Now there is another sentence regarding the garden and gardening, and that is that have you seen your father working in the garden? He pulls out the extra grass and weeds from around the plants. Your father pulls out extra grass and weeds from around the plants. From around the plants. Pull out. Pull out. Now I hope you know the meaning of pull out now. So what other sentence do you suggest for it? Pull out. Pull out. Very good. When two things are stuck in each other, we pull one thing out of the other. We pull one thing out of the other. For example, look at these glasses. They are stuck in each other. Now the student is pulling out one glass from the other. Pull out. Pull out. Now let's move on to the next sentence. That is, don't laugh at accidents. Don't laugh at accidents. Laugh at means make fun of something. Laugh at means make fun of something. So you should not make fun of accidents. You should not make fun of accidents. To understand it better, let's have a look at a picture. Laugh at. Laugh at. In this word, this GH is giving you F sound. F sound. Laugh at. Laugh at. So in these pictures you can see that one person has fallen down on the ground and the other is laughing at him. You should not laugh at others. You should not laugh at others. And the other sentence is like you should never laugh at others. So here you can see that this tall smart person is laughing at this short overweight person. Overweight means fat person. Fat. Now this tall and smart person is laughing at this short and overweight person, fat person. So you should not laugh at others. You should not laugh at others. Don't laugh at accidents. Don't laugh at accidents. Laugh at means make fun of something. Laugh at something. We should not laugh at someone's pain. Pain. We should not laugh at someone's pain. Or we can laugh at others' jokes. Okay, we can laugh at others' jokes, but you should never laugh at someone's accidents or pains. Now let's move on to the next sentence. The next sentence is don't take away her pencils. Don't take away her pencils. Now, in this sentence, the take away means take something without permission. Take something without permission. Don't take away her pencils. Don't take away her pencils. Don't take something away from someone. To understand it better, let's have a look at a picture. Now in this picture you can see that the elder sister takes away the toy of the younger sister. The big sister take away the toy of the small sister. Okay, elder sister take away the toy of the younger sister, and the same is the case with the baby in yellow dress takes away the rattler of the baby in blue dress. Okay, so this baby has taken away the rattler of this baby. So take away means take something forcefully, take something without permission. Now these are weeping because the rattler belonged to him and the toy belonged to her. But these elder persons are not returning it. So they are weeping because someone has taken away their toy. Taken away the toy. So let's have a review of what we learned today. We did 2 questions of part B, working with words. Question number 1 and question number 2. What are the words? They all begins with BO. We read all the sentences and we wrote all the answers. The first sentence was, this is made of glass and holds liquid. The answer was bottle. There are some inside your body. Bones. Not a girl, not a man, or a woman. Boy. Strong and full of courage. Bold. Now you can see that all these spellings are starting with B-O. B-O. In the next question, we looked at a few sentences, and they said that you have to use these underlined words in your own sentences, and we did use them in other sentences. What's the meaning of give up? Give up. Give up means stop doing something. Okay, what's the meaning of hold on? Okay, it has 2 meanings. The one is hold on means hold something tightly, and the second is wait for some time. Hold on means wait for some time. Pull out. Pull out means take out something. Take out something. And laugh at. Laugh at means make fun of something. Make fun of something. And take away means take something without permission. Take something without permission. Take something without permission. Now I have rubbed all the meanings of the given pictures, and you will tell me what these pictures say. Okay, you will tell me what word are they showing. Tell me what is it? Hold on. Very good. Hold on. What is it? Hold on. What does this picture show? What does this picture show? Very good. Laugh at. Laugh at. What is shown in this picture? Good. Take away. What is shown in this picture? Take away. Take away. And what is this? Very good. This is the same word. Take away. Take away. What is this picture for? pull out, pull out, pull out. What is shown in this picture? A kite and kite string. Kite and kite string. Now it's the time that I give you some homework. For homework, I have decided to give you word sentences. And how would you do that homework? Let me guide you. First of all, you will write the subject name, then classwork. You can write homework here, HW, and then you will write the date on which you will get this video. Write unit number, then write the name of the unit, and then you will write the part B, working with words. Okay, they have given you a very long question, and the question is read the following sentences carefully, then use the underlined words in sentences of your own. I just shortened the question for you. Use the underlined words in sentences. So in your neat notebook, you will write this question. Use the underlined words in sentences, and then you will start your work. You will draw a line. It should not be in the center of the page. Don't draw this line in the center of the page. It should be a bit to the left side. Okay. It should not be in the center of the page. It should be a bit to the left side. Then you will write words, sentences. Words should be written with capital letter, sentence S capital. And then when you are writing the words, you will write all these words with small letters, and when you start the sentence, your sentence should be written with capital letter. Words should be written with small letter, and sentences should begin with capital letter. I'm not going to do these sentences for you. This is your homework. I guided you a lot in the lesson, and I hope you will make up sentences of your own, and I'll be very happy if your sentences are different from each other. Let's see whose homework is better than others. You will get marks for your homeworks. So your homework is to use all these 5 phrases in sentences of your own. You will use them in your own sentences. You will make up the sentences. Okay, so I hope you will do the homework, and I'll receive correct homeworks from you. So this was all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for your time.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.